The Citizens First wishes to express deep concern over the recently announced terms of reference for the technical committee appointed to consult the people and draft a new constitution. Our concern stems from the fact that these terms of reference are anchored on the contents of the Constitution, Amendment Bill number 7, a document that was overwhelmingly rejected by key stakeholders, including the Evangelical Fellowship of Zambia, EFZ, Council of Churches in Zambia, CCZ, Zambia Conference of Catholic Bishops, ZCCB, Law Association of Zambia, LAZ, and the Oasis Forum, among others. It is therefore alarming that government has chosen to resuscitate a process built on a foundation the Zambian people have already rejected. This raises serious questions about the sincerity of the exercise and the government's commitment to genuine and inclusive constitutional reform. Even more worrying is that the terms of reference are silent on the timeframe and roadmap for the constitutional amendment process. This lack of clarity appears deliberate and designed to serve the narrow political interests of the UPND leadership rather than the greater good of the Zambian people. The timing of this process, coming just months before the 2026 general elections, further confirms our fears that this process is politically motivated. It seems intended to create an electoral advantage for the ruling party under the guise of constitutional reform. As Citizens First, we condemn this in the strongest terms possible and call upon all well-meaning Zambians to resist this manipulation of the Constitution for partisan interests. The Constitution is the soul of our democracy and must not be used as a political tool to entrench power. We demand transparency, inclusivity, and a clearly defined roadmap that reflects the aspirations of the people and not the ambitions of those in power. Furthermore, we note with disappointment that the government continues to misplace its priorities. While we acknowledge the ongoing road rehabilitation in Lusaka's Long Acres area, such projects are of less economic significance compared to more critical and dilapidated roads, such as the Pedico Road, which connects the Copperbelt and Luapula provinces, the Lundazi-Chipata Road, and the Chipata-Chadiza Road. A responsible government should have conducted a cost-benefit analysis to ensure resources are allocated where they will have the greatest national impact. Roads in Long Acres are still usable, while many rural areas remain cut off from essential services and economic opportunities. As the rainy season approaches, some regions will again be cut off due to flooding, yet the government has done little to mitigate or prepare for these predictable challenges. Instead, the UPND administration is focused on luxury roads and the politically expedient projects that do not address the urgent needs of the people. Citizens First calls on the government to rethink its priorities, listen to the voice of the people, and embark on a truly people-driven constitution-making process which strengthens democracy instead of weakening it. Harry Kalaba, President, Citizens First.